Dom here from Essential RC with Trev on camera, and we have here the second, or third actually, because we did a live with this. This is the Zhujiang EC135 Eurocopter 135 from our friends at makefire.com. So this is a really easy to fly radio controlled helicopter. It flies more like a drone than a collective pitch helicopter, which suits me because I'm not very good at flying collective pitch helicopters. Comes in this really nice scale scheme. Trev actually looked this up. This is a Spanish air ambulance, isn't that right, Trevor?
Yeah, even the registration number is identical to the real one.
ECMPK?
Yep.
It's an actual real helicopter that's out there and in service. So on the, well, first thing is the helicopter, which is really nice, and then you've got the smart battery, which I have plugged in already underneath. You see it comes out quite easily. Underneath, it's called a smart battery because you can see how charged up it is with those LEDs on there. Did that light up, Trevor?
Yeah, you can just about see.
So they're all lit up, so it's fully charged. And you charge it up with a USB lead that they give you when you plug it in. You have to make absolutely sure that the clips engage so it doesn't fall out, and that's what happened on the live stream, quite amusingly. But it didn't cause any damage.
How long does it take to charge a battery in one of those with a USB?
About 3/4 of an hour.
Okay, not too long then.
About that. And you get about, they say about 20 minutes flight time per battery, which is quite a long flight time, longer than I need. On the controller, you've got an unlock and lock, you've got one key landing switch there, and this rocker switch here alternates between normal flight mode and optical flow mode. Optical flow mode, it's got a sensor underneath that is projecting onto the ground, so allows it to control its altitude and hovering really accurately, but only lets you go up to about 8 meters, I think. In standard flight mode, it's relying on barometric pressure, not so reliable, so it will drift. And that's the thing with optical flow mode, it will almost keep you on the same spot over the ground as well. And I actually prefer flying in optical flow mode. I don't need to go higher than 8 meters with something of this size. So anyway, let's get it in the air. Let's see how it flies. So we switch on first. Hold the button down. Turn on the helicopter by holding down the button. You'll see the 4 LEDs light up underneath. It's ready to go. Then on the transmitter, we do unlock, and the sticks to the outside, rotor starts up. And we're ready to go. So really, really easy to fly. That's the whole point of this. So I'll bring it over for some nice close-ups. Just looks really good. So hands off, this is optical flow mode, stays more or less in the same spot, very little drift, and there is a bit of wind today, so even quite impressive that it does that. All right, let's bring it in for a landing. Not happy with that, I'll try again. Well, I'm on the landing pad. It's not easy to land it completely accurately because you get the downdraft affecting it when you're close to the ground, but as long as it's on the landing pad, I don't care. So there you go, that's the EC135, the Zhujiang EC135 from our friends at Makefire, a really easy to fly helicopter. It flies more like a drone than an RC helicopter, and that's the point of it, to give you that scale look of an RC helicopter while you're flying it. Thanks for watching this Essential RC flight test. The link is in the video description and the pinned comment. And if you'd like to look up the price on makefire.com. Otherwise, that's it. Thanks to Trevor on camera. We'll be back soon for more Essential RC.